Hey guys, welcome back to SamResolve, and today we're gonna use Resolve 20's new AI features to change this to this and this to that. And let's get started. So let's say you have your footage right here and you want to change your hair color for some personal reasons. So here's how you do it. First, we're gonna go to the color page, and then we're gonna go down here to the AI magic mask. So we click on it, and right here, this is the panel for AI magic mask. And then we got this plus right here at clicks, and we're gonna click on our hair. We're gonna click once, and it's gonna analyze the footage a little bit. And when you see the dot here, you can go here to check out the mask. Toggle mask overlay. Let's click on it, and you can see it pretty well selected our hair. And then we can change quality to better, and then we're gonna track it. We're gonna press this track forward and reverse button, the button with two arrows pointing left and right. We're gonna track it, and we're gonna leave it, and we're gonna wait for it to track. Alright, so after it's done tracking, we can play back and see the tracker, and it tracks pretty well. And you can turn off the tracker, and then right on this node, we can go to color warper. We're gonna click on it, color warper, and we still get this eyedropper thing. We're gonna click on our hair, just click once, and then you will see right here, this part, it will select a range of where the color is, and then we're gonna click and drag. We're gonna click and drag to the color that we want. Cool, yeah? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, let's put it back. See? Oh, our hair color looks pretty nice. It's pretty good right there. Right, so if you want to change your hair to black color, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna have to take the color away first. Now we're gonna go to the color wheels, and we're gonna turn down the saturation to about right here. I mean, gray is good. Yeah, gray is good. And then we're gonna take the brightness down, okay? Take the brightness down. Let's go with the offset. Take the brightness down to somewhere it gets a little bit darker, more darker. All right, that looks pretty good. And then we can see here this highlight. I mean, when your hair is really smooth, it reflects some light, and that is pretty natural. But if it's kind of reflect too much, we can go here to the highlight, which is gain, and we're gonna pull this down a little bit. All right, that looks pretty good. And let's put it back. Wow, amazing. Let's check out before and after. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Now your hair is black. Right, next, if you want to change your hair color, oh well, it's gonna be the same method. It's just that we don't need to pull down the saturation. Okay, same step. We go to AI magic mask, click on our hair, maybe this middle part, click on it, let it analyze a little bit. We got click one, let's show overlay. That looks pretty good to me. Quality better. And we're gonna track it. Track it. Alright guys, after you're done tracking, we're gonna kind of play it back and see how it tracks. It looks pretty good to me. And then we're gonna close the overlay, go back to our color wheels, and we can change it with our highlights. Well, actually, midtones. It looks more natural in the midtones. So if you want your hair color to be purple, just pull it right up to the purple. until you get the color you want. Purple looks really nice. Let's try blue. Oh my god, blue looks pretty good too. Let's try red. Oh my god, green looks pretty good. Alright, let's go with purple. Damn, purple. Let's try changing with the highlights. Oh wow, highlight. Oh my god. Let's try the offset. The offset kind of looks not that natural. Maybe just the midtone and highlights. Go to the purple. We got a little bit of leaks right here. So let's just change the midtones. Just a little bit. And you can see before and after. Before, after. Oh my god, that looks pretty nice. Play back. God damn, that looks pretty good to me. Look at that. Would you look at that? Alright guys, that's how you change your hair color in Resolve 20. I hope you learned a thing or two in this tutorial, because AI Magic Mask, it is a very powerful tool, and also the color warper. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to learn more about Resolve 20's AI features, where I talk about most of the AI features in Resolve 20. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.